Good morning. Today is my last weekend in SLO. I wanted to film my last weekend in my life of my freshman year of college. So today I'm going to start my day by going to get some breakfast. I'm going to head to the beach, study, and then have some fun tonight and celebrate for Shay's birthday. So super excited to show you guys all of this, and hopefully you guys like this video. I ended up getting Starbucks. I get a strawberry acai refresher. I was going to go to get acai, but they ended up being closed. I have no idea why, and I'm super bummed about that because Amazon acai is like the best on campus. All right, this is one of my roommates for next year, Morgan. Show us the Pinterest board. We got started.
Wait, okay.
We're like kind of yeah, this is kind of the vibe we're gonna go for. So cute.
What's wrong with your camera, Sammy?
There we go. There we go.
I'm so excited.
Woo! Literally a beautiful day. Ouch.
Pick sand that girl's
beautiful beach. Morgan's being attacked by.
Being attacked by bugs.
Seriously, every
spider. I hate spiders.
Every time we like move, there's like another bug on us. I killed it. It's really nice out, really hot. We're gonna hop in the water soon. This is just not looking good. Alright, we're leaving Avila Beach right now. What? Oh. Alright, so we just got back from the beach. I'm gonna go take a shower, turn that on right now, and then we're gonna get ready for dinner for Shay's birthday. And then, lovely showers in here. Like, good luck if you're coming here next year. It's our last weekend in the dorms, which is crazy. I am so sad to leave. I wanted this so much, so I'm sad that it's not forever. Alright, so I just got out of the shower, got dressed, and now I'm gonna put on some light makeup. So overall, freshman year has been amazing. I love it so much here at Cal Poly, and I think the main thing is like why I like it is because the school like has allowed me to take my major classes my first year, which has been really cool. I also feel like I got super lucky in finding a good group of friends that I connected with pretty much right away. It did take a little bit to like don't be frustrated. Like it definitely was towards the end of fall quarter and beginning of winter quarter where I like really felt like I found a core group of girls to hang out with. But I did realize looking back, I'm like, dang, it definitely got better as the year went on. I just blend this in with my hand. I feel like your hands are like warm enough where it like kind of blends it, whereas like the beauty blender, I don't know, it kind of like wipes it off. But you can be in it. Hey! All right, we are heading out of the
Thank God.
University Union. We studied for a bit, and now we are heading to dinner downtown for Shay's birthday. Gonna go get the bus.
Love public transportation.
This gives me anxiety. Is she okay? I don't know. Okay, so we're going to dinner for Shay's birthday, but she's nowhere to be found. Waiting. Great.
We're at the bus stop and the bus leaves
Love
in 2
that.
minutes.
There's our bus. Okay, we're gonna go scare her, hopefully. I don't know. We'll see. What if we're gonna wait?
And we can all have a picnic in here.
We can have a picnic?
Yeah. We can bring it out on the lawn?
Yeah. What the heck just happened?
No.
So update, we're gonna go pick up food and then eat it on the lawn, I think. Someone take the camera.
No, look at her, look at her.
I don't want to do that.
Oh my God. Oh my God. We live a queen who rallies.
Change of plans. We are taking an Uber.
Sammy. You're the one who corrected me.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my God, this is weird.
Wow,
This is so weird. I always
Sammy.
wanted to be a vlogger.
I know. The SLO temperature is finally.
Oh my God, bugs.
Whoa, sorry.
Fantastic.
It's finally getting good.
Also,
yay! Finally dinner. All right, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to Shay.
Three are straight up the same exact height.
Same height, maybe.
And then there's
represent.
then Yeah, I thought I was 5'6", but apparently I'm 5'7".
You're 5'7".
No, you're at least like 5'8".
I think it was like, right?
5'8".
5'7", 5'8".
I'm gonna go to Doc. We're all getting some ice cream from Doc Bernstein's right now. Excited.
Tried the motor oil.
Oh god. So, I got bubblegum ice cream because I literally tell everyone this, I'm 3 years old.